Along with the Levi Patil School, we have the campaign called Bhumi Namaskar, and the Bhumi Namaskar is done through our tree plantation, through our beach cleanups, and all the other activities over the years that the Bhakra Foundation has been doing. Such an honor for us to come under the roof of Levi Patil International School to do this noble work. There is a ground just next to the school. Give away to Humaira Ghazi and making the Indian women cricket team proud and winning the World Cup, and all the best for the T20 World Cup. Humaira Ghazi ji, please come on stage. Humaira Ghazi ji, the opening batsman of Indian cricket team. Humaira Ghazi is such a proud honor. All the best for the T20 Women's World Cup 2026. Maybe Jai Kumar Rao ji, few words from you, and then we start the plantation.
Madam, float. Ma'am, float. Sit on ma'am, pass. क्या बात?
Our very own. Rohit Pandit, RP Foundation, is receiving the small token from Pankaj Tais.
Excuse me. Sir, Zubair bhai. Sorry.
So this we're just closing that. Today, as we gather here at Levi Patil International School on the run-up to the World Environment Day, we are not merely participating in a ceremonial tree plantation drive. We are taking a pledge for the future of humanity. This year's message, Now for Climate, is not just a slogan, it is a wake-up call for the entire world. Climate change is no longer a distant challenge. We are witnessing rising temperatures, irregular rainfall, water scarcity, floods, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. Nature is sending us enough clear messages.
Also, along with that, we have to give trees, we have to give oxygen, we have to give clean drinking water, and we have to work on minimizing things. We have to work on reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is going to be three important mantras of next generation. Now you are seeing the situation of the globe, like where wars are happening. On fuel, next is going to be on the waters. So we have to be very, very aware of the situation. I am very happy to see the young faces here. They are aware already because they know every breath we are taking today is from the breath we are taking from our kids, our next generation. So we have to give them back. We have to create this wealth for them, and we are only doing it. ये हमने बहुत सारा डेवलपमेंट करने में, हमारे वर्ल्ड के कंपटीशन में जाने में बड़े बड़े हाईवेज को बना दिए, बड़े बड़े टनल्स को बना दिए, मेट्रोज बना दिए, पर इसके साथ जो हमारी सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति है, हमारी माता पृथ्वी, जो हमारी जैसे वेरी राइटली शिल्पा सेड कि वी बिलोंग टू अर्थ, अर्थ डजंट बिलोंग टू अस, तो इसके लिए हमें काम कर रहे हैं. If you see even our culture, whenever we imagine any god or goddess, we always see them with some plant or some animal. So that is a message always our culture also has given. We have always worshipped. Pehle, whenever we do any puja, we first do Bhumi Pujan. We give Mother Earth the first. Then we do puja of Agni. We do puja of Vriksh. हमारी ही संस्कृति में ये सब था जो हम भूल गए हैं, और कहीं कहीं हम लोग डेवलपमेंट के साथ जाते हुए हमारे कल्चर को और हमारे नेचर को पीछे छोड़ रहे हैं. So it is a high time now. We are all sweating. It is very hot, and in May we are sweating. The temperature is so high. And when I used to go to school, I used to not feel so hot. When I started going to college, the days were becoming hotter and hotter. And yesterday, I was reading all the reports. This is the highest heat year, the highest temperature year. 2024 highest, now 26 highest. There will not be enough rain. There will not be rain on time. So we have to all be very, very aware. Every single drop of water is important. Every plant, with every green thing is important, which is growing in the nation. We have to all save. And I'm very happy. Shilpa always said she wanted to be working on plantation drive, giving back to the society, and on her son's birthday also she planted a lot of trees. That was her agenda, and she joined this Asif Gamla Foundation's this drive. I really thank her. And Asif भाई को तो मैं बचपन से जानती हूँ. मेरे उनको देख के ऐसा मत समझना कि उनके बचपन से, मेरे बचपन से जानते हैं। हाँ, ये पता नहीं कौन सा योगा
आपकी रील्स देखते हैं,
कौन सा स्पेशल ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं। आप शिल्पा को कॉपी करेंगे तो हड्डी वड्डी तोड़ देंगे। Whenever I see her reels, I can't copy what she's doing. I can't. Nobody can. It is a sadhana she's doing for years. She's like elastic now. So आसिफ भाई को मैं बचपन से जानती हूँ, अभी उनकी बच्ची को बचपन से देख रही हूँ। She used to come for my son's birthday party. She was so small, and now she is the like person who's taking this ahead. It takes lot of efforts to gather politicians, all the social people, all the industry people, all the media, and she's learning all that. And of course, she's going to take all the youth together and work on this, and we will be always behind her and supporting her. ऐसे सरकार आपसे टैक्स लेती है, आपको रास्ता बना के देती है, आपको मेट्रो देती है, आपको ब्रिजेस देती है, आपको डेवलपमेंट देती है, पर एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको हम वापस नहीं दे सकते। आपको ही आपका ये लेना पड़ेगा, इसका निर्माण करना पड़ेगा। ये कोई टैक्स पेमेंट करने से ऑक्सीजन नहीं आएगा। इसके लिए यू ऑल हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट एंड बी अवेयर। तो यही कहूँ कि जाते जाते उम्र भर गालिब यही भूल करता रहा, दाग चेहरे पर था आईना साफ करता रहा। तो हम आज तक गलत जगह पर काम कर रहे थे, अभी हमें उस जगह पर काम करना है जो हम हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन को कुछ दे पाए। All the best to you and thank you Dr. Ganga Foundation and all the dignitaries on the line. आपल्याला माहिती आहे लवकरच पर्यावरण दिन आहे 5 जून, त्या निमित्ताने त्यांच्या फाउंडेशनचे कार्यक्रम आणि या कार्यक्रमाला त्यांनी आम्हाला आवर्जून आमंत्रित केलेलं आहे। पर्यावरण विभाग आणि त्यांचं फाउंडेशन अनेक ठिकाणी काम एकत्रित करत आहे आणि मला खूप मोठं आहे काही चांगलं काम करतात। आज माझ्याबरोबर जयकुमार रावळ माझे सरकारी मंत्री आहेत आणि आमच्या चांगल्या मैत्रीण खूप ॲक्टिव्ह आहे, एक हेल्थ आयकॉन आहे आणि पर्यावरणासाठी काम करण्यासाठी नेहमी त्यात सज्ज आहे। बरेच सेलिब्रिटी आणि बरेच उद्योजक इथे आज झालेले आहेत। तर पर्यावरण हा विषय फक्त सरकारने करायचा नाही, हा प्रत्येकाने करायचा आहे हे जाणीव करून देण्यासाठी हा पर्यावरण दिन आम्ही साजरा त्या पद्धतीने करणार आहोत। मी स्वतः इलेक्ट्रिकल गाडीत आली आहे, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे त्या दिवशी पर्यावरण मंत्री आहे त्या दिवशी मी इलेक्ट्रिकल गाडी घेतलेली आहे। मी इलेक्ट्रिकल गाडीमध्ये आलेली आहे, हे प्रमोट मी करते की तुम्ही फ्युएल वाचवा, तुम्ही इंधन वाचवा, पाणी वाचवा आणि ऑक्सिजन वाचवा। ह्या ऑक्सिजन देणारी झाडं नाही, हाच मेसेज शिकवायची देत आहे। आपणही सर्व करा, जास्त प्रदूषण करू नका, प्लास्टिकच्या बाटल्या हमारे सहकारी जयकुमार जी और हमारी बहुत अच्छी मित्र और पर्यावरण के काम करती हुई हमारी शिल्पा शेट्टी जी यहाँ है। और शिक्षा हमारे मोदी जी ने भी कहा है एक वृक्ष माँ के नाम, तो ये माँ जिसने हमें जन्म दिया वो माँ भी है और जिसने हमें जीवन दिया वो धरती माँ भी है। तो उसका रक्षण करने के लिए हम ऑक्सीजन हमारे अगली पीढ़ियों तक रहे, टेम्परेचर ना बढ़े, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग ना हो, इसलिए प्लांटेशन ड्राइव बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर मला आपण पण पर्यावरण साजरा करण्यासाठी जर आम्ही काही काम करत असू तर कोणी अक्षर घेतला तर आम्ही त्याला बिलकुल लक्ष देणार नाही, मानणार नाही।
वही सेम रिपीट मैम यूजुअली आपको हेल्थ फिटनेस के तौर पे आज प्लानिटेशन
वेलनेस सिर्फ अपने तक सीमित नहीं हो सकता। इफ देयर इज इफ द प्लैनेट इज हेल्दी यू विल फील हेल्दी। सो उस पर ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है। जैसे पिता जी ने कहा ग्लोबल वार्मिंग सच्चाई है, क्लाइमेट चेंज एक सच्चाई है। जागरूक होके अब काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट आपके लिए नहीं कर सकती, यहाँ पे हर एक को अपनी जवाबदारी और मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को समझना और उसके बारे में बच्चों को बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है। हमको ऐसे लगता है कि ये हमारा जन सिद्ध अधिकार है, ये अर्थ हमारा है, हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। हम अर्थ के अगर आप थोड़ा सा दृष्टिकोण को बदल दें तो बहुत चेंज होगा आपको। तो इफ यू वांट चेंज यू हैव टू बी द चेंज। रियली एंड अगर आप बच्चों में एक बदलाव लेके आ सकते हैं, बच्चे आजकल बाहर जाके खेलते भी नहीं, अर्थिंग ही नहीं, आप यू हैव टू हैव देम कनेक्टेड टू दी अर्थ। जिस 5 तत्वों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे वैदिक हिस्ट्री में हम लोग उसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं, कहाँ हम उसको इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं आज। सो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू टीच योर चिल्ड्रन टू लीव द आईपैड, डिस्कनेक्ट, बी कनेक्टेड टू दी अर्थ। और सिर्फ एनवायरनमेंट डे के दिन ही इस बात को हम लोग, इसके बारे में हम लोग बात ना करते हुए कंटिन्यू करें इसको। वी हैव टू मेक इट अ लाइफ स्टाइल, सो ब्रिंग अवेयरनेस।
Carrying this legacy forward for the next generation? So I'll be honest, I'm very new to this. I'm still young and I'm still finding my footing, I'm still finding my grounding. But I think we as the next generation can bring in something very different, something that maybe our parents could not. And I think we've really grown up in a world where, like I said before, climate change is something that's been very present in our lives. And I think we can really look towards the future and, really make an impact on the next generation. So, in your view, how should modern school values connect with the real world impact? How should modern school balance academics with real world when I was studying here, they made sure, even when I was really young, I used to plant trees. Because every now and then we have one this very happy and even our downstairs segregate. And in fact, my class when someone sits every time, they like to turn off the lights, turn off bulbs, turn off any thing that is not needed. So like that, brings a foundation to climate. And I think kids need AI, kids need technology, kids need development, we need all of it. But we also need more to be done. But luckily also on climate or how to erase like hashtag now for climate help children understand responsibility in a practical way. See the whole reason why plant trees and really young kids were there because of enthusiasm and even when I don't want to make it, I do realize that we can't really So, there's a calling in the mind, there's a recall factor, you can use it for a few minutes at least, when it's like the ocean is supposed to create a benefit. Obviously, when we go, we see the entire picture come out, but when it comes back to the technology, so it's
yeah, I think it's important for the kids to really go out there and experience things firsthand. It's very easy for us to talk about this concept as, this abstract thing, but until you go out and experience it yourself, and you feel, the heat, the AQI, I don't think you can really relate to it. So I think with new initiatives like this, it's really important that
these kids go out there themselves and experience what it's like to, do something as simple as plant a tree. And it's very therapeutic, and I think you're able to form that emotional connection with, this thing that really encompasses life, I feel. So I think that is very important.
It's just more important. Yeah. नमस्कार, this is Seher Thapar here. आज हम एक बार बात करते हैं स्कूल में ये स्कूल से I am an alumni and we are here dance and freeze in collaboration with each scholar was also the face of the campaign and participated is here and this is for the whole environment campaign is coming up and I feel that education and environment goes hand in hand. That's why the school is the best place. Planting we have multiple people from the world, from the university, from the last generation, activists, singers, witnesses, every stakeholder of society come here and their part of
Yeah, so I think Seher has said most of it, but we're here today for very important reasons, like she said. And I think it's very important to acknowledge that this starts from the roots, it starts from the base. So we really need to educate our children, our kids, on why this cause is so important. And I think it's something that affects all of us, regardless of age, regardless of class, regardless of where you live. You see it in the air, you see it in the heat. It's something very real and very present right now. And I think unless we take action now, it's going to be difficult for future generations, for us, for those younger generations.